In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into emoji portraits using AI. Let's get started. Emojis are one of the most popular ways to express emotions online, and now thanks to AI artifacts, you can transform your own photos into a personalized emoji-style portraits. To do this, go to your browser and go to Photo or AI artifacts. This tool runs directly in your browser, so you don't need to install any software. Now, click the upload button and select an image from your computer. For best results, use a clear photo with a single face and good lighting. This helps the AI create a cleaner emoji version. Now on the left-hand panel, you'll see many art styles. Scroll down to the popular section, then click on the emoji option. Then instantly, the AI will turn your uploaded image into a fun emoji-style portrait. At the bottom right, click the Compare button. This shows your original photo next to the emoji version. And if you're not happy with the first try, you can easily adjust it. To do this, hover over the emoji effect thumbnail, then click Regenerate to let the AI create a new version. Each regeneration only takes about 10 seconds and gives you a slightly different result. And if you like this effect, click the star icon to save it to your favorites, and you can quickly find it again in the favorites section. And when you're happy with the result, click the download button to save it to your computer. You also have extra options. You can click Post to Earn to share your emoji portrait on Photor to earn Photor coins, which can be cashed out. You can also click Animate Your Art to turn your emoji into a short animated video using the AI video generator. And here are some tips for beginners. With just a few clicks, you can turn a regular photo into a personalized emoji self-portrait using AI. No design experience needed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.